Alright guys, welcome back. On this one we're going to strip some paint off my bootlet on my old 1970 XW Falcon 500. Give you a little bit of a walk around on it. I may be able to add a little more footage of when I've done a bit more of it, as I've struggled with my footage of them lately. And see how we go, and well, sitting on my bum ain't getting it done, so let's get into it. Well, we started on this last night. Yeah, I got this front edge done to where I want it. And then started mucking around here. Bit there. I'll get that done today. What we're going to do is we're going to bring it all off. We got it looking like this bad boy here, which is the bonnet. If I can focus you in on that better. So we'll get it all like that. And I'll show you underneath. Bit of work to do, but we'll get it done. Alright. Might get into this and we'll get back to you. So I'm going to slap some 40 grit sandpaper on the old Roby 1 Kenobi and get this paint off. Sure you ain't going to want to hear it, so we'll get back when it's done. Now I'll just bring his in here. You see where I started sanding? That only took like 3 minutes. That's how easy this paint comes off. And if you look on the side where I haven't touched it at all, right in there. That happens every time I wash the car. I just wash paint off. And yep. There she is, all her glory. I've started working on other panels, but haven't filmed them because I've been having trouble, and I don't even know if I'll get this video out. But we're trying, we'll keep cracking. Nope. So I've opened up the back of me Roby 1 Kenobi. It's got this filter in there, which I have not cleaned ever, I don't think. Look at the crap that come out of this. If it was doing a job, I don't think it's doing it. That's after me knocking it and give it a blow out with the blower. But yeah, maybe I should pay attention to this sort of stuff. Alright, we'll clean her up and get into it. There she is. Most of the green's off it now. Didn't take long at all. 10-15 minutes, I think, the whole thing. A few little spots that I left them on. I'm not worried about that. We're gonna hit her with some paint stripper over the next couple of days. We'll do that out the back. Can't film out there, so can't show you that one, sorry, but we'll get that done. And get back to you when she's all nice and shiny. Silver. Steel, bare steel, sorry. That's probably the only dent where someone helped me push me off the road, and popped it in at about 3 weeks after I got it running up on the road the first time, 20 years ago. So yeah, good bonnet, that one. Well, I've taken the bog out of it there. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but that bog was thick. I'm talking 3 to 5 millimeters, maybe more. And what we've got there is what old Derek on the old Vice Grip garage calls a whiskey din. But I don't know what whiskey did that. Alright, we'll keep going. Alright, so just wanted to show you how I get all this undercoat and stuff off. You go into the kitchen, you grab your wife's best dish scrubber, and then grab some of this Joe Tons Penguin's Piss stuff. Looks like a penguin, you tell me if it doesn't. It's actually thinners. Take a bit on your scrubby and all over the place. Good old Joe Tons Penguin's Piss over there, and just have at it. Get our elbow grease. Yeah, it takes a while, but you get there. Not everything's about tools, mechanical tools, electrical tools, sometimes just old-fashioned elbow grease. Alright, so I think you get the picture here. Yeah, so just wanted to show you a little bit of that. Grab a rag and clean that off. There you go. Let's keep into it. Well, there you go, guys. Had half an hour's work and a bit of elbow grease. Got most of that off. Like 90% of it. Yeah, I'm missing a few spots. I'll give that a wipe down. We'll have a look at that, eh? How good is that? I'm happy. Could do a little more, but that's enough for where we need to be. Alright, so let's attack that now. Alright then, I've sanded it, scrubbed it, got all the paint off it. Got all looking good. Left a few bits here and down here where it's all dented up. So I'll paint a mate can knows where his damages needs to be fixed. And what I'm going to do now is walk through all my garbage here. Spray some of this on it. Aussie made stuff. I got that, and it what it does is protects the bare metal for up to 6 months in the weather, they say. So it should be good stuff. And while it's sitting there, power steering pump. I'm going to try to get that on. That'll be another video though. Alright, I'll spray this stuff. Alright guys, there she is. All done. Just finished cleaning it all off. And I probably should have been recording because it all happened. I'm spewing I missed it. But the guard fell off. I caught it in mid-air. I scratched my arm a little there. But we didn't ding it. No dings or bangs on it. That was good. Also, I'm walking around in bare feet and stood on this mongrel. And while I was halfway through cleaning that, I've cleaned up now, so my old Karcher sprung a leak. So I had to get it all finished off by hand, and the hose, hence the hose sitting there. But she's done. I had to hurry up as well because we're about to go out and I've still got yet to clean up. But there. Got him done. Now he's off to the guy that's going to look after the paintwork, and see what it looks like when we get it back. Alright guys, that's how I did it. Is it the right way? I don't know. Is it the wrong way? Probably. Yeah, but I had a go. I got in there, gave it a crack, got it done. I also added a bit of a lot of salvage footage I found of a guard that I done months ago, and yeah, I wish I was recording a bit more that day, but so I had that in there for you to see. And well, it's beer o'clock here now, so we'll leave you at that, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Catch up. See you on the next one.